Excited about the dinnerware. 2,700 sets have already been ordered today, 400 already in our show. By request, we have this set.
Yeah.
We have a markdown on the floral lace today, so you get a little extra savings. In that floral lace, it's less than $40. I know, but here's the deal. I want you to be thinking about, do you have chipped plates at home? Do your plates match at home? Have you wanted to complete a collection, but it just hasn't been in the cards? Today's the day to do it.
Incredibly affordable way. Like when you think about probably if you were to go to retail, you would pay that for one place setting.
For sure.
The fact that you're getting 12 individually hand-painted pieces, incredible. Incredible.
I think so too. We're going to start down there with you.
So I can start here if you want to see the full 12 pieces. And I love, again, I show this because I like to stack it. I like to be able to tuck it up in my cabinets. So 4 of your soup and cereal bowls, 22 ounces, 4 of your 8-inch salad or dessert plates, and 4 of your 10.5-inch dinner plates. Beaded rope detail that runs around the edges, which I love, and then your floral lace has, of course, the reverse of the blue and the white that you see there. So there's going to be your beautiful cobalt blue in our floral lace. Come up here, we have our yellow. So that's going to be our Hello Yellow we brought back in honor of our 20th anniversary. We're now in our 20th year. I'm just going to tip that forward so you can see that plate. Also, again, is the reverse. So it's a nice complement as you're starting to layer these pieces. Taupe is peeking out through the back. So taupe's going to be one of our most neutral. So again, if you're thinking about shower gifts or wedding gifts, no one would ever think you spent $40 on that.
If you want the taupe choice, there's only 350 left.
And then that will be it forever.
Is it?
It is. We are retiring this.
And in the yellow, there's now 350
Oh,
also.
okay. Very popular. Here is, of course, is our red. This truly takes you from everyday to holiday. So if you've never wanted to invest in holiday dinnerware, this is a fun way to do that too, because it's all year round.
What a good idea.
Well, it's an affordable way to do it, right?
Yeah.
Dinnerware can get very expensive. Here, of course, we have our gray. So again, more of that farmhouse chic with the rope the beaded detail. The black, I always say, is like that toile. I love this. Look how beautiful the bowls are with that gorgeous color saturation carved into the side.
You can get 4 scoops of ice cream in here very
easily.
Well.
I love that about you. It sounds like you may have tried that theory.
Sure have.
And then
just to test it.
Right. I mean, asking for a friend. Then we have, of course, our cranberry. That's going to be our most muted color, more of like a wine color versus a red.
Can I tell you, too, the floral lace, $39.98.
Yes.
That's your pattern markdown today. $3.33 a piece. Wow. $3.33 a piece in the floral lace. Okay, we have other patterns. Let's jump into those.
All right, so old rolled in the back in front of you, we have the gray.
Okay, and then there's
that beautiful bowl. And I love that you can really see the biscuity stoneware color. There's our green. That's what started it all at one point. Old rolled was only one color, and that was green. So we've come a long way in patterns and colors, and all of your suggestions, love. Then we have our cobalt blue. So again, always super popular if you have that European style look. This is going to be perfect. Taupe is next door to that. Again, one of our more neutral patterns and colors. Then we have yellow.
150 in the yellow.
And we also have confetti. This is going to mix and match all of your colors. This is actually what I collect, so love the confetti pattern.
Now I want to grab this and show that we do have the woodland buttercream.
We do. And we have some doodles.
There are only 100 total.
And by the way, I think we started with all 5 colors in our woodland. So we are down to buttercream, which I love as a neutral. I think this is such a beautiful color.
And it's so happy. Okay, let's get into the doodles.
Yeah, and then the doodles.
Call that out.
We have red, gray, and black. I'm so excited.
So here is your red doodle with, of course, most limited with 100 to go around. Then we have the gray doodle here in the front. And then we have black doodle.
Look at how beautiful. And I want to show you here. So notice how the dinner plate and the salad plate complement each other. So I created it so that the border, right, there's your dinner plate. Layer in that salad or soup plate, or salad or sandwich plate, and then put your soup bowl in there. And you can either do it a little askew or you can do it forward. However you want to lay these out. These are designer dinnerware sets, all individually hand-painted with hand-applied accents that still go in the oven up to 500 degrees, in the dishwasher, in the fridge, in the freezer, and microwave.
That's so good.
Just saying.
Hey, Old World Woodland Doodle Doo. I want to walk over to this table and show you what it can look like.
This table.
Old World Woodland Doodle Doo are $47.98.
Okay.
So they're on 5 easy payments of $9.60. That makes it $3.99 a piece.
That is for hand painted.
$3.99 a piece.
Just think about that for a second. Like this stoneware bowl that you're going to receive 4 of is actually a baker as well. This is your breakfast cereal in the morning, hot or cold, oatmeal. It's your hot fudge sundae at the end of the night. Here are your app plates. You're always looking for app plates. Now you have 4 if you're picking up. Obviously, 2 sets, you'll have 8. 3 sets, you'll have 12. I highly recommend you get an extra set only because we were talking earlier about breakage, just in case you break something. Now, by the way, you don't have to baby these in and out of the microwave, in and out of the dishwasher. You don't have to worry about it. But just in case something were to happen and you want to make sure you have your full service, these pieces can be used separately or they can be used together.
3,200 have been ordered today, over 900 ordered just in this show. Do your dishes bring you joy? And I say that because I shared something with Tara and Lisa before the show, and I said, you know, I moved 30 times between being an active duty military kid and, you know, different jobs after school. And I realized the reason that I'm so silly about dishes and why I'm such a huge Temp-tations collector, I mean, obviously the quality, the fun colors, the patterns. Every time my mom unpacked the dishes, it meant that that was now home.
You were staying.
And this is that way. So your dishes can bring you joy. You know, for anybody who watches and goes, gosh, they get really silly about stoneware. You know what it is, though? It's your mark on your house. And when you get your favorite pattern or when you get your favorite color and they all match together and it looks like this, it doesn't take a lot of pieces and a lot of effort to have your table look like this. It feels like home. And your dinnerware, you may change homes, you may downsize, you may have the little ones move out of the house, but when you get the plates on the table and people sit down and you get the good food in it, it's home.
I will say we eat with our eyes first, right? So when you walk into a setting and you see something beautiful, you feel special. You feel like it was done special for you. And I think as us who are always wanting to, whether it's takeout that you're serving, it doesn't have to be something that you're making. You want to feel special. You want it to look good. And some of the greatest phone calls that I've received over the years or messages from all of you is, I've inspired you to cook again. That your husband has commented on how beautiful the table looks or how the house looks, and he never comments on anything. That one always makes me laugh. And that you just feel so good about the money you spend, the time you take to make all of this, and putting it out in something that's beautiful and colorful, hand done with artisans, is truly very, very special.
I agree. I mean,
so I love what you said. That's what this brand is about.
It's true. And as soon as I met Tara and Lisa, they are your friends. And I know you chat with them. You're chatting with Lisa now. I want to rip through our choices because we are very busy. 3,500 have now been ordered today. 1,300 just in this show. This is your floral lace. This pattern is $39.98 today. Now, please remind me, when any of these sell out, are they gone?
They are gone. We are not bringing this back. This is retiring. And I love that we have the color assortment that we do because I want you to pick up as many sets as you think you're going to need.
Today's the day to mix and match.
Great idea.
Ooh, okay, sorry. Let's go.
All right, so we have, of course, our cobalt blue. So that's always our most popular in our floral lace, that inky cobalt blue with, of course, the beading that runs around the edges. So love that. Beneath that is the yellow. And I've always loved like blue and yellow together. It's very European to me. But there's that bright, sunshiny yellow.
Only 250 left in the floral lace yellow. Wow.
Here's that red. So again, that beautiful, like I said, from holiday to everyday kind of coloring there. Beautiful. Next door to that's going to be our taupe. That's our most neutral.
Just under 300 in that floral lace taupe.
That's a great color. Here's our gray. This is more of like a charcoal. So again, love that. Think farmhouse if you want to mix and match there. Black, I always say this is like your toile.
It's beautiful.
And then there's your cranberry, which we don't always carry, so I love that we have it in the dinnerware.
So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 patterns left in our choice that's less than $40. That means floral lace, $3.33 a piece.
This is incredible.
While we're here, I just want to touch on that woodland buttercream.
I love that we laid out all 12 pieces, too.
5 dozen left. Okay, well, just thought we would mention that quickly before we just put it right out the window.
Right.
Now, we're going to dive over here into the Old World. I'll start back here. We have Old World Gray. We have the Old World Green. Here's Old World Blue, Old World Taupe, and Old World Yellow. In the yellow, I have 150 left, and then we have the Old World Confetti as well. So don't forget about the confetti because Mary just did. Then we have the Doodle Doo. Doodle Doo in the black on the bench.
And there's something so fun about the square there.
I agree. 150 left in that Doodle Black. In the Doodle Gray, 300 left. Ooh, we got a little styrofoam there. And then we have the Doodle Red. 6 dozen
I love that red,
left.
I gotta tell you.
Woo! Okay, here's the situation. The floral lace is the first day at the lower sale price. It's $3.33 a piece. All of your other patterns are $3.99 a piece.
It's incredible.
It's such a great deal, and 4,000 have now been ordered on the day. Remember, we have 5 easy payments. 1,700 have been picked up in the show. 5 easy payments means that you can stock up today and utilize that easy pay.
Right.
So because we're getting service for 4, order 2, get service free.
I gotta tell you, we have 3 weddings this year. Woo. And the rooster is good luck in anybody's home and anybody's kitchen. So I love the idea of gifting that, any type of piece with the rooster. But think about dinnerware. It's such a great starter set for someone, you know, and you don't have to baby it, which I love.
All right, we're gonna mention flatware.
Ooh, we have it all laid out right here.
3 weddings this year. Ooh, busy.
I go from like no weddings to then like